Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. Since people get affected by nutritional or related disorders, there is lowering of working capacity and productivity potential resulting in economic losses. The children become weak or sick and their educational career is affected. Malnutrition and underweight children surviving their childhood face their future as adults with compromising ability, ill production ability, and health. More tragic in societies. Major malnutrition problems are marasmus, a progressive emaciation caused by lack of protein and calories in diet. Number 2, Shuri code, a lack of sufficient protein in the diet leading infants to a failure to neural development. Number 3, goiter and hypothyroidism, an iodine deficiency in the diet in early childhood resulting developmental disorders and abnormalities such as mental retardation and deep mutism. Number 4, anemia, more often caused by an inability to absorb iron from food than lack of iron in the diet. Number 5, chronic hunger occurs when people have enough food. Chronic hunger occurs when people have enough food to stay alive but not enough to lead proper productive lives. Pellagra occurs due to deficiency of amino acids such as tryptophan and lysine. These overlapping types of malnutrition are more common in developing countries, but in developed and richer countries, people eat too much of meat, fat and processed food and too little of fibers and vitamin and mineral rich vegetables and fruits. Thus, they take too much of calories as a result of overnutrition. Overnutrition results overweight, high blood pressure, diabetes, causing heart attack and other cardiovascular diseases. The leading causes of death in most developed countries. The daily caloric intake in North America and Europe is above 3,500 calories per day, nearly 30% more than is needed for adequate nutrition. Next is balanced diet. Malnutrition and its ill effects can be avoided by consuming balanced and varied diet that includes all essential groups of foods. In general, the balanced diet includes plenty of whole grains, pulses, vegetables, fat, sugar, milk, fruit, etc. For vegetarians, and meat and eggs in addition or as replacement for non-vegetarians. Cereals like wheat and rice, the staple food of mankind, provide a fraction of nutrient supply and need be supplemented with other foods that provide proteins, fats and traces of minerals, vitamins and amino acids. A balanced diet simply means a diet that will supply all the nutrients necessary for the growth and development of the body. The healthiest combination for a balanced diet in general is that about 50% of calories should come from complex carbohydrates, about 30% from all fats and about 20% from proteins. Conclusively, expanded diet sheet in a suitable proportion and variation in menu in our daily meals will prove better for the health. The amounts of various foods that will make up a balanced diet for the average Indian is given. The quantity of the food varies according to the age and the work of diet consumer.